you for choosing a Caleffi dirt separator. This quick installation tips video will help give you a general overview of what you need to know to get started with your installation. And one of the first things that you should notice when you open the box for your new dirt separator is the installation instructions. Make sure to read them. They provide all the information that you will need, and some of which might not be covered in this video. The Caleffi 5465 flange dirt separators are available in 2 through 6 inch pipe sizes. The DIRTMAG models incorporate magnetic separation, while the DIRTCAL models do not. The installation principles for each are the same, so we'll cover them both in this video. Caleffi's dirt separators are very effective at removing dirt and debris from hydronic heating and cooling systems. Removal of dirt and debris from your systems is the best way to maximize efficiency and the life expectancy of all the components in your system. Our dirt separators have an ANSI Class 150 raised face flange. This will require you to provide a proper set of mating flanges along with the gaskets and bolts to put it all together. The Caleffi dirt separators are incredibly effective at removing dirt and debris from hydronic heating and cooling systems. Removal of this dirt and debris is critical to maximize the efficiency of your system as well as the lifespan of all the components in it. So before you start your installation, let's quickly review how they work. Your fluid is going to flow through your pipes and into the dirt separator body, at which point the velocity is going to slow and any dirt and debris will hit the coalescing media and deflect towards the bottom of the body. At which point you can purge any contaminants or debris from your system by opening up the blowdown valve. Models with magnetic separation also have a dry well inserted into the bottom of the body, up into the flow stream. Inside of that dry well is a removable segment of magnets. Magnetic impurities are attracted to the magnet and will cling to the outside of the dry well. So when it's time to purge the dirt and magnetic particles, you're going to want to remove the magnets from the dry well, and all your impurities are going to be purged through your blowdown valve. Gravity is key in dirt separation, so you're going to want to make sure to install it with the body in a vertical position. By the way, the dirt separators are bidirectional, so flow can come from either direction. The most ideal location for your dirt separator in your hydronic system is going to be at the inlet of your heating or cooling source. This is going to provide the maximum protection for what is usually the most expensive part in your system. The top connection on your dirt separator is going to be a 3/4 inch NPT male. It is going to come with a cap, but you can also install, with a few field supplied fittings, a nice air vent. The dirt separator will provide a minimal amount of air separation as well. The bottom connection on your dirt separator, where your dirt and magnetic particles will be discharged, will have a 1 inch NPT ball valve. If you wish, you can add a discharge pipe down to a drain. And you're all set. I hope you found these tips useful. If you have any further questions, please contact your wholesaler, your rep, or us directly. And thanks for watching.